Title: The Best Time to Eat Fruits, Health Tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, the SciSocial Explorers. Today, we're going to talk about something we all love: fruits. They are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. However, have you ever wondered if there's an ideal time to eat them for maximum benefit? Well, stick around, because in this video, we'll explore the best time to eat fruits for a healthier you. Let's get started. 1. Morning. Rise and shine. Mornings are the perfect time to kickstart your day with a fruity boost. Eating fruits on an empty stomach can help your body absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Plus, fruits are naturally hydrating, so they can quench your morning thirst and make you feel refreshed. Reach for fruits like oranges, apples, or berries in the morning. 2. Pre-workout. Are you hitting the gym or going for a workout session later in the day? Well, grab a banana or a handful of grapes before you head out. Fruits provide a quick source of energy due to their natural sugars, giving you the fuel you need to crush your workout. 3. Afternoon. It's lunchtime. Adding fruits to your lunch can be a great idea. Fruits are rich in fiber, and when you consume them with your meal, they aid in digestion and keep you feeling full for longer. Opt for fruits like papaya, watermelon, or kiwi during your midday meal. 4. Snack time. It's snack time. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, why not have a bowl of fresh fruit salad? Fruits like cucumber, pear, and pineapple are not only delicious but also low in calories, making them an excellent choice for your snack cravings. 5. Evening. As the day winds down, consider enjoying a fruity treat in the evening. Fruits like cherries or grapes can be a wonderful option. Cherries contain melatonin, which may improve sleep quality, while grapes have antioxidants that promote heart health. There you have it, folks. The best time to eat fruits depends on your lifestyle and daily activities. Mornings on an empty stomach, pre-workout for energy, during lunch for better digestion, as a healthy snack, and in the evening for a delightful treat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.